Hey guys, hope you guys are fine. Hope simanyi kyokubagamba because it's kind of an emotional interview that I'm going to do. Now, yeah, we really have to do this. Atana subscribinga ate gwe subscribinga gendo gamba atana subscribinga ate ja subscribinge. Happy New Year to everybody. Katusabe mukama katonda ni guno mwaka gutuyisemu bulungi. Rayp is my name, and guess who I have with me? The lady behind the lovely gospel music, and that is none other than Ntaate, presenter. She's a fashion designer, a makeup artist, content creator. Literally, she has so many things that I can talk about, but I'm going to allow her introduce herself, and then, yeah, you will know what we're going to talk about today. Hi, Gabby.
Hi, Rayp.
How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm all right. Sina tabu. Mwebale kunchazaako neera.
Era still neera. We could actually have you all the time because abantu bange tebakowa. I'm glad that all the time I bring her. Buli omwa ebiseera ebisinga mu comments ndabanga bagamba neera mukomyewo omwa ayogeddeko katini neera mukomyewo. So I'm always glad to have her on my YouTube channel. And nainga olunaku lwaleero it's going to be different. We're going to talk about something a little bit sensitive, but we would really want to share it with you. So Gabby, I think before I can even start, Soko weyanjulira abantu, tell people what you do.
My name is Gabby Ntaate, real name. I have been a TV presenter with Spark TV, and I'm also a gospel artist, an inspirational artist, and I'm a fashion designer. And later on, tujja tugatagattako n'ebirala. Hey, binge. Can makeup? No, I'm not a makeup artist. Don't contact me.
Yeah, Kolakanga, yeah, Shazarif is the title. But anyway, I told you, Debbie Binji, we've heard, or right now, we actually know that you've decided to leave TV. Are you going somewhere else? Wafunye wantu walala over?
That question has actually come up a lot because I've seen other blogs also saying that I'm resigning, particularly because another media house has called on. Irangache, what I said in my previous interview, I was like, media houses will always scout, and that's just the truth. If you're a talent, if you are good at what you do, they will always scout. But one thing I know is that I am loyal, and I remain loyal to Nation Media regardless. Besides, being a TV presenter, I don't think I'm going to be a TV presenter anytime soon. If I do again appear anywhere on TV as a TV personality, that will probably be as an anchor, but nothing less of that. Okay. Yeah.
Church ku forces oba church kuletedde okubeera nti no you give up on TV because before we can actually go there, how many years have you done this?
Well, if it's TV broadly, it has been a few years. Not a few years, it's quite a number of years. It could even be 8 or 7. But if it's as a presenter, then 3. As a presenter on live air.
Do you think 3 years is enough for you to quit as a presenter?
Quitting is a word I wouldn't quite employ. I would say I have resigned as a formal way, but it's not. Resigning is not quitting. It is you saying that now that will be the end of that particular step, and now we shall go on to another step. So with life, the things we do is a process. So you have to program yourself of when do I now go to the other thing. We have different goals and we have to achieve them as long as God gives us what? Life. So you know that at this particular moment I will be doing this. At this particular moment, God willing, I will have stepped onto my next journey. And here we are. And I'm grateful for the journey that I've had as a TV personality, as a TV presenter. But now I'm going to achieve my other goals.
Kuba abantu abasinga balowooza oba bagamba nti maybe ekikujjemu it's the titles that they usually give to us, Owolugambo, something like that. And the fact that they call you Owolugambo and yet you're a gospel artist, it might be one of the reasons as to why you're quitting. I
enjoyed my stay at Spark TV. I enjoyed my job. You understand? Whether it was named what way, that our stay okubeera ku Spark TV, you know for a fact that it has built our brands. It has built our brands. So it's a milestone, it's a stepping stone. I don't mind whatever they would have called us, or believe me, people will call you anything, even if you're the president. We know for a fact that somewhere, somehow, an American president was likened to a mango that has been eaten fully. Mm-hmm. So really, people will talk, they'll have to say what they say, but you got to move. Okay. Ogenda mu maaso regardless.
Spark TV nga Spark TV, Livewire as Livewire, chicho oyinza okugyogerako kuva we wagitandika mpaka wogivuddeko?
I will generalize and call it Nation Media. Nation Media, yeah, I'm very, very grateful to Nation Media because it was the brand that discovered me. Yeah, putting that to the cameras, really. Kuba, that's where I started. My journey has started with NTV, and here we are. Years later, resigning from a particular responsibility. So Nation Media, I'm forever indebted to it because it made me the brand that I am today. Of course, you have this in you. You're the one that is giving the work. You're the one that's delivering. However, they have given you the platform and you've been able to grow really, really big. So neyanza nyo Nation Media, neyanza nyo mchala gwe bayita Zina Bantariza. She does not stay around, but she's the person that kept believing in me, even when I definitely was like, I'm done here. There is really nothing here. And she kept saying, Gabby, you do not see yourself. So today she's so proud of me. I don't think there is a week that Zina can go without reminding me how, excellence has reflected in me. And I'm like, okay, she sees way too much than probably I see. And time and again, I meet her there at the peak of what she sees. We meet there and then she'll see more and then I'll find her there. So I'm really, really grateful to her, but I'm forever indebted to Nation Media as a brand. I'm so, so thrilled, grateful, and I will always carry you in my heart wherever I go.
Bishop, you're going to miss ku Livewire?
My co-host, my friend, my co-host, I'll definitely miss our laughters. Sometimes they would, Mabla musesession number, nainga mnage tusese. It has been an amazing journey. It has been an amazing 3 years. It has been an epitome of beauty. That is something I can say. I am so going to miss you. I'm going to miss having you there, and then we know that we are going to choose violence. It has been an amazing show, but I will miss the entire team. It has always been Kasafu Kanyama with people. They don't know what to say. It's just, you know how it is. It's like family, so it's definitely going to be a big gap. But well, I will be around. I'll be in all you people's hair.
Tulinde ki kyekiddako? Yes, osazeewo okuva ku Nation Media. Kyekiddako?
I cannot leave Nation Media. Nation Media is not left. Okay. I am resigning as a TV presenter, but I cannot resign Nation Media. Never. As with other things, being an artist, it's not like people will no longer see you on TV. It's quite impossible. They'll keep seeing you on TV because there's music going around. They listen to your music. They love it. So you will always be there. So I'm grateful to that. And maybe not on the forefront, but I will be there in the background.
Biki bye wenyumirizaamu mu myaka gino esatu nga gwe Gabby as a presenter of Livewire?
One thing I know is that you can have confidence, but when you are put to stand against a multitude of people and you survive whatever speech, whatever responsibility, it builds your self-esteem, confidence onto another level. So chiba chikuyamba ochitegera. So it has built that with me. My confidence went haywire. Like my self-esteem went haywire. I believed that I achieve things that I possibly couldn't if I was not able to register in my brain that I'm actually addressing multitudes of people out there. So that is a very good thing. It's a very good builder of self-confidence and courage and all that. So nebintu bilala byoyiga, in media is broad, and all these things you learn while you are in the field. Now so there's just so many things. When it comes to just being part of a team, it has been a very great lesson, a great experience that I will take with me wherever I go.
Nga waliyo omwana akulaba yandiyagadde okubeera TV presenter, maybe some time to come, you inspire them. What would you tell them?
Go for it. One thing is that if you can dream it, then you can live it. Because if your brain etunulira ekintu negamba tewali muntu wane yali agambye I wish I was rain. No one is dreaming to be rain, because you look at it and honey, God promised forever, eternal life. There you will be rain or you will be a bird today. Unless unless you animate yourself no fukaka cartoon kati ngatula ngo utonya, but in real life it's not going to happen. Okay, sigwa genda kutonya lukango overi kuba Yesu yekagwe tulinda nga ava side yeyo. So their dreams, if you can dream it, if you can sit there and ogamba I feel like I can achieve that, then it's because your inner ability person is saying, I can do that if you let me. I can do that if you push me. So whatever it is that you feel like you can do, I think I can do this thing. I think I can make a good presenter. I can be a beautiful, an amazing beauty queen. I can be a good lawyer. I can be a good anchor. If you can dream those things, if you can tell yourself about these things, daydream, when I'm the anchor, I'll be doing this, then you can actually do it. You can actually do it. Because none of us here is dreaming pilot. We are not dreaming pilot. Because, honey, if I fly you in that plane, we're going to be flying a long time.
I know.
We're going to be flying a long time. So, because this is not something you've dreamt. This is not something you've dreamed and looked at like, Benga walinga nze nyole nyonyi. Nze singa nze nyole nyonyi. Walinga nze nsala omuntu mujjamu kati ekibumbe ekibumu tekamu ekirungi. Not me. So manyi, those are not things that I want to achieve. Those are not things I will achieve because I don't want them. I don't want them. And probably I cannot reason like, now understanding, Simanya, now the lightning is coming from this way. Now it's no longer coming from that way. If I fly you in my plane, you can jump out. So you dream the things because your inner ability has said to you that they can achieve it. You understand? So you can really go for whatever. You are perfect for what you have dreamed of.
Most people, when they resign, or most people, when they decide to take a break, usually abachala, it's marriage. Baba funye abami, baba bafunye tusubireyo omwami anytime.
Omwami alina okubeerawo ndi mukamu of age, ndi mukazi mukulu, omwami alina okubeerawo. Naye if a person comes and puts everything that you are on stop, are they Jesus? Are they God? If I shoot them from a distance, don't they die? Like they are human. So they do the things human beings do. No, darling. Honey, no. A man, a spouse, a man, a woman is supposed to compliment you, not to complete you. So you cannot come and then say, this is where your life ends. So what am I supposed to leave? Yours? So if you got, a deadly illness, do we share that? Kubene wetu batufunye siri mu babiri. Amulyomu afalulwe. Gwe rotamize dagala kaput. Nze remize nga nchiringa. So a person that is in your life is supposed to be perfect, yes, ngomwagala, era ngomuzza. Don't ever, unless it's what you want, don't ever let someone stop your dreams. These dreams should come and merge together, his and yours, and then blossom. If that cannot happen, you're not going to live in harmony. Imagine, people normally hear, imagine no, please. So, omwami abeerawo neero bwenzikiriza nti yono omanya bumanya nti tukwataganye, we've merged our dreams and now we are in our blossoming element.
As we wind up, you guys, because tuchimanyi you would want us to stay here and definitely talk the whole day, but we cannot. Ngenda musaba abiringa atugamba ebigambo bye ebisembayo naye nga kyemulina okutegeera. Me as a person, I do not actually want to start talking about her. I do not want to imagine that she's not going to be next to me every single day of the show because she told me this sometime and I did not believe it. I've told her till now I do not want to believe it because I'm gonna let her say her last words to I know.
Don't cry, mukazi. You know that you're going to be around. You're going to be around. You're my person. Probably you'll be here coming on TV ngovana wange kwebaka. Ngova kwebaka okalamba. So with me and you know there's no end. There is really no end. Until death do us part, there is no end. So I will be here. With you, I can't really say there's nothing like goodbye. Maybe it is goodbye on the show, but it's never going to be goodbye. Like how? Whatever milestone that we have come through, we have fought through it, and here we are. Okay? We are a definition of what friendship is like. You understand? You will hear things, and those things will burden you. And then you will go back and say, but this is my Gabby. And then I will hear what I hear, and they'll burden me. And I said, this is my Remy. Because it's been both of us. It has been the two of us against whatever. It has been the two of us against whatever. When I say whatever, you know whatever. Because that small brain of yours knows what we have taken in for each other. You know? When I hear you taking alcohol, I can be like, can you please stop taking alcohol? My secrets. Don't cry. Okay, so it's never going to be goodbye. Of course, we are the finest duo. Like, it's different. We are the finest duo. There is never going to be something like that. Even with me, I am trying. And you know, I'm the cry baby, and I am trying. Because me, if I cry now, I'm going to wail. And I can't wail. It's never going to be an end. I am your sister, your big sister, because I always treat you like my little young sister. So come to me always. In fact, when you stop, we shall do a YouTube video on you. We'll be like fake friends. But you're never going to be my fake friend. You're always going to be my person, because there's nothing we don't come to each other with. If I'm mad, I'll be like, Remy, this time I've been mad, but here we are, and that is love. Because I love you, and I'm never going to stop loving you. So I'm never going to stop being the colleague, your co-host, your best. I'm right here, never coming to an end. Cut.